Here the given condition is PA plus PB is equal to 8. That is the given condition. So PA is equal to 8 minus PB. And squaring on both sides, PA square is equal to 8 minus PB whole square. Now this is PA square is equal to 64 plus PB square minus 16 PB. Now PA square. What is PA square? This is x minus 2 whole square, x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. That is equal to 64 plus PB square means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 3 whole square minus 16 into PB. That is. So here x1 minus 2 and x1 minus 2 whole square, and here x1 minus 2 whole square is cancelled. Now this is y1 expanding, y1 square plus 9 minus 6 y1 is equal to 64 plus y1 square plus 9 plus 18 y1. So here it is also, sorry, this is 6 y1, this is also 6 y1. y1 square cancel, 9 cancel. Now it is taken into this side, minus 12 y1 is equal to 64 minus 16 PB, minus 16 PB. Now minus 64 can also be taken into this side, 64 minus 12 y1 equal to minus 16 PB. Now we are taking minus 4 is common. This is 16 plus 3y1 is equal to minus 16 PB. Minus 4 is cancelled and 4 times 16 plus 3y1 is equal to 4 PB. Again applying squaring on both sides, 16 plus 3y1 whole square is equal to 4 PB whole square. Now expanding, that is equal to, now expanding, 16 whole square is 256 plus 9 y1 square plus 96 y1 is equal to 4 into PB square. That means px minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Say 16. Then simplifying this one, we get the answer, that is 16x square. Then simplifying, 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0. This is the required locus. After simplifying, we get, that is the answer. Another problem in this same model, that is find the locus of P if A is 4, 0 and B is minus 4, 0 and PA minus PB is equal to 4. Here the given condition is PA minus PB is equal to 4. So given condition is PA minus PB is equal to 4. So we take it as PA is equal to 4 plus PB. And squaring on both sides, PA square is equal to 4 plus PB whole square. Now this is PA square is equal to 16 plus PB square plus 8 PB. PA square means x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. That is equal to 16 plus PB. That means x1 minus of minus plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square plus 8 to PB. Now expanding, x1 square plus 16 minus 8x1 plus y1 square is equal to 16 plus x1 square plus 16 plus 8x1 plus y1 square plus 8 PB. Now cancel y1 square on both sides and x1 square also both sides. 16 is cancelled. Minus 8x1 is taken into this side. Minus 16x1 is equal to 16 plus 8 PB. So that's why we take 16 in this side and minus 16 is common. 1 plus x1 is equal to 8 PB. It is minus 2 times. Now squaring on both sides, 4 into 1 plus x1 whole square is equal to PB square. So expanding this one, 4 plus 4x1 square plus 8x1 is equal to PB square. We know that PB square means x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. So this is 4 plus 4x1 square plus 8x1 is equal to x1 square plus 16 plus 8x1 plus y1 square. Now this is taken into LHS. 4x1 square minus x1 square means 3x1 square minus y1 square. 8x1 is cancelled. Is equal to 12. Locus is 3x square minus y square is equal to 12, which is the required locus. That's all. Locus IQ topic is completed.